In this how-to video, we will cover the DIY basic install and operation of our STEGO Enclosure thermostats with normally open and normally closed adjustable settings. We are using this normally open thermostat and this normally closed thermostat in this video, but this example can apply to other STEGO model thermostats we offer here at Automation Direct. These STEGO thermostats have adjustable temperature settings with ranges of 32 degrees Fahrenheit up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit in normally opened or normally closed configurations, and versions in -10 degrees Celsius up to 80 degrees Celsius in normally opened and normally closed configurations. Here is how these STEGO thermostats operate. Normally closed is open on rise, meaning the contact will be closed, and as the temperature rises and reaches the user set point, the contact will open, turning off the device as demonstrated with this model with a red set point dial. These are used for regulating heaters or for switching signal devices. The temperature set point is set to somewhere near 90 degrees Fahrenheit. We have an audible alarm and a red LED indicator to show when the contacts close. When power is applied, the contacts are closed. We see a red LED and hear an audible alarm because our ambient temperature is around 70 degrees Fahrenheit. When we heat up the surrounding environment to 90 degrees Fahrenheit or more, the contacts open and we no longer see the red LED and we no longer hear our audible alarm. Now we demonstrate a normally open model that will close on rise, meaning the contact will be open, and as the temperature rises and reaches the user set point, the contacts will close, turning on the device as demonstrated with this model with a blue set point dial. These are used for regulating filter fans and heat exchangers or for switching signal devices. Again, we set the temperature set point to somewhere near 90 degrees Fahrenheit. We have an audible alarm and on this thermostat a blue LED indicator to show when the contacts close. When power is applied, the contacts are open because our ambient temperature is around 70 degrees Fahrenheit. We do not see an indicator on the blue LED and we do not hear an audible alarm. When we heat up the surrounding environment to 90 degrees Fahrenheit or more, the contacts close and we now see the blue LED and we can hear the audible alarm. Here's how we connect and disconnect the wires using the spring clamp terminals on the thermostats. Learn more on the Enclosure thermal management products we offer by visiting AutomationDirect.com/enclosure-climate-control. Don't forget, we sell heaters, air conditioners, heat exchangers, vortex coolers, thermostats, and more for all of your Enclosure thermal management needs.